The 1965 Mustang Convertible UNCAGED, a stunning build completed in 2023 by the renowned Ringbrothers. This extraordinary vehicle seamlessly combines classic design elements with modern performance and technology, resulting in a car that is both timeless and cutting edge. Join us as we delve into the details and features that make UNCAGED a true automotive masterpiece. At the heart of UNCAGED lies a formidable Ford Performance 5-liter Coyote Crate Engine, delivering exceptional power and reliability, paired with a Ford 10R 80 10-speed automatic transmission. Wheels and tires. The Mustang rides on custom wheels by EVOD Industries, sized 18 inches in the front and rear. These wheels are wrapped in Continental tires, with sizes 245/40R18 in the front and 285/40R18 in the rear. Suspension. RS Fast Track with independent rear suspension. Penske RS Edition Performance coilovers. Exhaust system. Flowmaster 44 SS exhaust system with custom headers by Ringbrothers. Brakes. Bare Brakes Pro plus 14-inch C6 front and rear. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that merges classic style with modern comfort. The interior features custom upholstery with premium materials, including leather and Alcantara, hand-stitched to perfection. The dashboard retains its classic design while integrating modern functionality. Paint and body. The exterior of UNCAGED is a work of art, finished in a stunning BASF Glasurit waterborne paint in the color Burgundy Brave, MR 397.75. This rich, deep color is complemented by Cerakote Titanium C105P treated trim, adding a touch of modern elegance to the classic design.